Hello paper crafters, it's Clementine. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial on how to make a cute and easy 3D origami snowman. For this project, this is what you'll need. I'm using red and green for the hat and scarf, but you can pick any color you like. To learn how to make the pieces, you can watch that video. Let's go! We'll start off by making the base. We'll assemble the first 3 rows together. Assemble 3 white pieces like this. Make 11 of those. The last one will be composed of a white piece, a black piece, and another white piece. Connect the 12 units together. Now we've got our base. We're going to add 3 more rows to finish the body. Add a black piece here for another button. Then a white piece and a green piece right here. This will be part of the scarf. Now finish off the row with white pieces. All right. Next row, we will add a green piece right here, and the rest is white. The last row is the scarf, so make a full row of green pieces. There you go, the body is finished. To make my 3D origami characters more alive and unique, I like to give them a heart which contains a thought or a sentence that represents them in some way. For a full tutorial on how to make these easy puffy paper hearts in 3 minutes, click on the info box in the right hand corner. So when I designed the final version of that little guy, I found him so cute that I thought, you melt my heart. So this is I'm gonna write for his heart. Use any method you like to stick the heart inside the body. For the neck, we'll do an inverted row. So instead of inserting the pieces this way, insert them that way. For the head, we go back to normal rows. Make a full right row. So this piece with the side towards you. Now we're gonna give this little guy a mouth. Insert a hot pink piece in that piece, like so. The next row will be full white. Now those 2 points will go inside the same pocket right here. We'll add a bit of a blush on his cheeks by inserting 2 light pink pieces. First, insert 3 white pieces, and then insert those light pink pieces on each side. And the rest of the row is white. Next row is full white. Now let's insert the eyes. One black piece here and the other one there. For the last row of the head, just insert those 2 points in the same pockets. Same as we did with the mouth. And we finish off with white. For the hat, we'll use the shrinking technique to decrease the number of pieces in a row. The next row will have less pieces than the previous one. So instead of having 12 pieces in a row, we will have 8 pieces. So basically, some of the pockets right here will hold 2 points instead of 1. I'll show you. Can be tricky sometimes to get all the points inside the pockets, but eventually we'll manage. There. For the last row, add 8 green pieces. Oops. For the tip of the hat, take a red piece, make a crease, and tuck the bottom point in, like this. And we'll do the same with that point. So make a crease and tuck in. Place it at the intersection of the green pieces. For the nose, take an orange piece, make a crease, and tuck the bottom point in. Insert the nose right here. For the arms, unfold the black piece. And fold it twice, like this. 1, 2. Cut in 2 equal parts. To insert the arms, count 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. So the arm goes right here. 1, 2, 3. The other arm goes here. And there you have it, your very own 3D origami snowman. Want to create a friend for this little guy? Go check my video tutorial on how to make this cute candy cane boy. Until next time, happy folding! So this is what I'm gonna write for his heart.